Okay, so this is all you're gonna need for this. I have some thread, some needles, and some scissors. So for this, I'm using sewing needles, and I'm grabbing one of the smallest sewing needles, and I'm gonna be using that so I don't create any bigger holes. I'm using clear nylon thread so that when I'm doing this, it will not be seen, and I'm just showing you guys how I tied it at the end. And I'm moving the hair out of the way so that I can get a clearer view of the hole. Okay, so what you're doing is just bringing each side of the hole together. And I'm making sure that what I'm doing with a light hand, because I've already created too many messes inside of this lace already. So I'm trying to keep a light hand and keep it steady so that I don't create any more rips or tears while I'm trying to repair my lace. By the way, this is a very repetitive process, so pretty much for any hole that you have in your wig, as you can see I have a few, I am going to be taking the same exact steps that I did to fix the big hole on every other hole. I am just going to be bringing each side together, making sure to use a light hand as I'm doing that, so that again I don't create any more rips and tears. Show you guys what the wig looks like now that I fixed the hole. You guys, you can see that even though my lace is looking pretty terrible, please do not judge me. I've had this wig for quite some time, but as you can see, you cannot see any more holes or any more tears in the lace. It's just regular old lace. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.